nagkakargahan talaga yung depensa eh. You have to have that pressure release when it comes to your offense. Talking about LSGH. Kasi yan ang mangyayari. Oh. Kakargahan ka nila defensively. Tatanggalin ka nila dun sa yung mga attack point. Parang walang kailangang pag-isipan. Alam mo na kung saan ka pupunta.
Rosales speaking. Oh! First shot is good. That's Rosales draining the triple.
Small forward when he goes to college.
Step in three! Rosales with his second three-point bomb in the first.
Ito yung mga matatandaan mo pagka nag-reunion kayo. Nalala mo pare yung Game 3?
Binigay niya. Oh! Rosales! Ano? That's for Booz rather.
So,
hitting it from the corner.
At yung mga bonus things na nabibigay ng mga defensive stoppers ni Coach Job Cleopas. 9 points coming off Corpus and Rosales. Tatlong 3-pointers yan.
So the game plan for the Green is right now is just ride the hot hand of Gomez. Meantime, this is good ball movement for the Altas. Wow! Both corners covered by Jim Corpus.
Discipline, running their lane, staying on the outer lane, attacking his own slice of the pie. Corner 3, always free when there's a scramble on the fast break.
This is one of the best three-point shooting teams in the league. Number 2 when it comes to three-pointers made in the elimination round. Or too strong that time. And the ball went over the top, so it goes back to Perpetual, who now has their biggest lead of the game at 9.
Going back to the stats in the 2 games, whoever makes more 3-pointers wins the ball game. Nail it. That's the third point. I've been stressing last game. Nail it. Open threes, you have to nail. And the role players of Perpetual is already good pass. Medyo mataas pa nga.
Yeah.
But right at the shooting pocket, pagkasalo, let it fly. Pero dito ang disadvantage naman niya. When it comes to defense, medyo mabigat yung kailangan niyang itulak. There you go.
Rebound. Contested. Roluna has it. Roluna is running with it. Here's the kickoff. Rosales will drive. Sending it out. Corpus. Kaboom! Jim Corpus with his third triple here in the game, and a booming end to the first frame for the Perpetual Junior Altas. They are threatening to run away with it. Couldn't get it. Daep snatches the board.
Ito, rumaratrap na naman ang Perpetual.
Si Galiangan has 3 assists here in the first half. Rosales gets the bounce. This guy is becoming a factor in this one. 3 out of 4 from the field already with 8 points.
1 attempt para makakuha sila ng transition basket. Yan lang naman yan. Stay disciplined.
Penetration by Velasquez. No go. Ooh! Odador was not able to make the catch. Pass inside. Corpus!
Libre. So alam mo na eh, yun yung drill yesterday. Kasi sa film, yun din yung ibinibigay sa kanila ng LSGH. Ayun o, yun na naman. Yun na naman ang libre.
That's right. Ito, Rosales with a penetration.
Babalikin
score from the baseline.